everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to download Crunchyroll app on your device. Crunchyroll is an app that allows you to watch anime and stuff. Now, in order to download Crunchyroll on your device, you'll have to tap open your Play Store app. And once you're on your Play Store app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page, tap on the search bar. On the search bar, you'll have to type in Crunchyroll. On the very first option here, as you can see, the app is here. Once you do that, here you'll be able to see your option install written right here. You'll have to tap on the install button. And here, as you can see, just like that, you have successfully installed Crunchyroll on your device. You can check whether the app has been installed or not by going on your app screen. And here, as you can see, it has been installed. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to install Crunchyroll on your device. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.